Dow Jones too last week they struggled to take a direction and traded in 1,000 points, very tight trading zone and traded with a strict discipline. All the gains got erased towards the end of the week. Now what is going to happen next week? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. And in the end, I'll give you the possible entries to trade for. So do watch till the end and do listen to the analysis carefully. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily analysis and updates on Dow Jones twice a day, one with the Asia session, one with the US cash session, along with other markets and commodities including Nasdaq, FTSE 100 Germany, 40, Nifty 50, gold, silver, oil and natural gas as well. So do watch those analysis as well and press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest update. So let's start the day with 4-hour charts first. Now see, I've told you at this moment also that it is trying to reverse, it has seen the high, and also here I told you that it is giving lower highs and it is going to give a breakout, a strong breakout on either side is possible. So after this reversal candle we have seen a good drop. In fact, it has achieved 32,500 level, then a retracement, lower highs 33,200 300 zone, it failed to break pass by, and then this sharper drop. Now look at this on the 4-hour chart, it is trying to create this channel, but at the same time one must not forget that it is an expanding triangle in which it is trying to trade. At the same time, look at these two levels on the previous candle, 32,800 levels, which is going to now the strong support zone for US30 for any downside move. If you see it trading below 32,800, one can remain short for 32,600 and 32,400 levels. At the same time, I will be watchful of 33,000. Once it breaks past 33,000, it is a time to go long for 33,400, 500 and then 33,800 for 34,000 levels. It can rise till 34,000 before it looks over to any drop. But this is just on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a detailed look on the daily charts as well. See, on the daily charts, first this was the consolidation zone. You can see this 35,000 is stronger resistance. Then the next step is created at 34,000 and now this step is created at around 33,500 level. So almost 500 points of gap, and yes, there is a possibility for it to break past this, and then this will try to break 34,000, and in fact it can try to come back till towards the zone at 34,500. Now look at this closely on the last few days candle. You will see that despite the breakout, the highs are very much limited at 33,300 levels. Now I will be watchful of this zone at 33,300 again. Any breakout below and above, we can expect it to continue with the bullish momentum, and then sky is the limit till towards 33,600, 33,800 levels. Also on the downside, see these three candles, lower lows are being done. There is a support at 32,600 and 32,500 levels, which I think it needs to sustain if it need to continue in the bullish channel. Also look at this, it has got a strong rally. After this it is trying to consolidate in this zone before it looks over to any further rise. So this is what we can see from the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly candle also. See, on the weekly candle what it is trying to do. First of all, let's have a look here how beautifully, see, this was the rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement in the sense drop, retracement, and then the drop. So lower lows are getting created here on the daily charts. Also look at this, higher lower highs are also getting created. So if it needs to continue in this zone, we can expect that it can try to hit 34,600, 34,800. In fact, can go till towards 35,000 before it looks over to drop. This is on the weekly charts what we are looking forward to see. Also look at the previous candle. See, there is a support at 31,500. With that as support, it is given almost 2,000 points, and now it is just trying to stabilize the indicators. Just it is trying to, it is just like if you have run a 100-meter race, you are taking a break and then you will resume the run there. So this is what is appearing from this, and on the high upside 34,500, 35,000 levels can be achieved if it sustains beyond 33,300, 33,400 zone. Now look at the monthly charts here. On the monthly chart you will find, see, this candle is opened below, lower highs are done so far, but it has the possibility or potential to achieve these highs at 34,000. It makes till 34,000 400 500 zone before it looks forward to a drop there. So any rise beyond this zone at 33,300 400, definitely one can remain long next week and one can expect it to rise. Else, see, this candle was a indecision candle, and probably if it trades below 32,500 600 zone, we may see it dropping sharply till towards 31,500 and 31,000 levels. In fact, it has to come back to this zone at 30,000 levels, so it can continue to drop from there. So now let's have a look with the help of indicators whether the indicators and charts are telling the same story. So let's have a look again on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, 32,800 stronger support, 33,000 stronger resistance. Go long above 33,000, one can expect it to rise. The target is 33,200 and then 33,350 levels. Beyond that, we may see a stronger rise. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is at near to bottom now, near to oversold levels. The MACD is also divergent and bearish. The RSI is sloping downwards. So mixed indication. However, it appears most of the indicators are oversold and it may schedule to a rise now. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see the top of the Bollinger Bands and the 100 period moving average coming together. In fact, the 200 period moving average is also coming together here at 33 700 levels, and yes, if it breaks past this, we may see more of a rise there. On the downside, there is a support at 32,400, which is from the 20 period moving average, which is going to provide a stronger support. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. The RSI is sloping downwards. Similarly, if you look at the weekly candles here, on the weekly candles, now 33,800 to 34,000, it has got stronger resistances for any further upward. And if you look it here, see, this is the 100 period moving average on the daily and 200 period moving average at around 32,500, which is a definitely stronger support. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge here and the RSI is trading flat. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle too before we proceed ahead with the trading levels. See, on the monthly charts, resistance there at 32, 33,500 zone, and then on the downside there is a support there at 29,600, 700 zone. The stochastic is bearish still. The MACD is looking downwards. And the MACD has also crossed over few months back. It has achieved the high, so I'll be watchful and cautious that it can reverse also. Now RSI is sloping downwards. So considering this, now let me give you the trading levels for next week. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to understand the same expertise and if you want to gain the same knowledge on how to analyze and interpret the chart so that you can take a perfect entry, you can join my mentorship batch. 90 days, 90 hours a day, 15 days, and a lifetime support is what you will get for your own vehicle. And yes, for the details, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group where just as per trading expert signals you can definitely profit. So first let's talk about the levels to go long. Right now at 32,923, I will recommend you to go long at 33,050 levels. If it breaks below this, one can expect 33,180 levels, and beyond this we will be again looking forward to a rise till towards 33,300 and then 33,500 levels. These two levels are taken. I will be looking forward to 33,780, 33,900 and 34,000. These levels can be of help for you, as you know that there is a still resistance there, and if you taken a long and at right moment, at least preserve your capital either by putting a trailing stop loss or either by shifting stop loss to cost, or if first level of targets is crossed, you can shift your stop loss to these levels so that at least you will close up the trade with little profits. Now on the downside, breaking below 32,800, go short there. Below 32,800, I will be looking forward to 32,660, 32,500, and if it breaks below 32,500, I will be again looking forward to 32,200, 31,970, and beyond that we may be looking forward to 31,900 and minus levels. So take your positions accordingly, take the profits accordingly, take the trades accordingly, and yes, always keep shifting your stop loss to cost or add profits. So trade accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do not forget to join the mentorship batch, and you can ping me also for any of your trading or trading related carries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.